Today we have Josh. Josh is in for his first adjustment. Josh has some neck pain. All right, so right here we have Josh's neck. So in his cervical spine is extremely straight. So we got like a military neck going on. Josh works in security. His low back does have a similar issue with a slight lack of lordosis. So we're gonna also work on that as well. Got some gas going on, but we do have a slight scoliosis. All right, and then we can see a little bit of it as well. Going here, going over to the side. So we're gonna work on treating all of that, all right? You guys saw Josh's x-rays. He does have a decrease in curvature in his cervical. It's called flexion distraction. We got the table moving up and down. Whoa. I know you had those problems, huh? First time getting adjusted, right?
Quite some time.
Yeah?
Like 2 years.
2 years? That's a long time.
Yeah, to be wearing that vest, yeah, that shit builds up over time.
Yeah.
Kick pain. Get well at the Miami Spine Clinic.
Today we have Josh. Josh is in for his first adjustment. Josh has some neck pain. All right, so right here we have Josh's neck. So in his cervical spine is extremely straight. So we got like a military neck going on. We're gonna work on trying to build up the curvature in there a little bit. It's not gonna be done with the adjustment. It's not gonna be done overnight, but it is gonna be done with some postural exercise that we can give him, along with some ergonomics. Josh works in security. His low back does have a similar issue with a slight lack of lordosis. So we're gonna also work on that as well. And we're gonna look over here. Got some gas going on, but we do have a slight scoliosis. So scoliosis means, you see that right? That's curving just a little bit. Now it could be causing this hip to be down slightly because of your spine is curving over just a little bit. All right, and then we can see a little bit of it as well. Going here, going over to the side. So we're gonna work on treating all of that, all right? You guys saw Josh's x-rays. He does have a decrease in curvature in his cervical. We're gonna not fix that curvature right now, but he also has some scoliosis. We're gonna work on that. We had him on a wobble chair. We did some other things before. And we're gonna do some adjustments and see what we can get going, all right? So Josh, out of 10, how you at pain-wise, 1 out of 10?
5 right now.
5 right now. Josh came in, what did you come in at?
At a 7.
Came in at a 7. So right now we got him down to a 5, which is something, but not everything, right? All right, so he has some neck pain. How did you get the neck pain, Josh?
Really just working. It just came about.
Okay, so you say you wear a vest?
Yeah.
So he wears a vest, he works security, so he protect people, but not he didn't protect his neck. So we're gonna try to see if we can help him out with that. What side is the pain on, Josh?
Right side.
Right side? Josh, lean your head into my hand for me. Lean into my hand. No, this hand? There we go, just relax with me. Just relax, just relax. Just relax, just relax. All right? Mm-hmm. All right. And, let your head drop into my hand for me, Josh. Let it drop, let it drop. A little bit more. There we go.
I need it down.
How are you feeling so far?
Looser.
Looser?
Yeah.
Out of 10, where we at?
Like 4, 5.
4 or 5 still?
Yeah.
All right, cool. It's called flexion distraction. We got the table moving up and down. Let your arms drop. There we go. Distraction. Whoa. Good. Come on, just relax. Good. Just relax. Already moving.
Good, man.
Just relax. Already moving again.
Yeah, definitely relax now, man. Definitely. Feeling better.
I didn't even know you had those problems, huh? First time getting adjusted, right?
In quite some time.
Yeah?
Probably like 2 years.
2 years? That's a
Yeah.
long time.
Yeah, and to be wearing that vest, yeah, that shit builds up over time.
Yeah. Let me have you sit on that. So you say you had some shoulder problems too, right?
Mm-hmm.
What shoulder?
This one.
This one. Does it hurt when I bring it up? So. How about this? All right. Let's have you just bend it like that for me. There you go. Just relax. Just relax. It's not over. Let's try this one. Just relax. There you go. Just relax, just relax. What's wrong with your hand, man? You should box or something?
Oh, it's just stiff.
You cracked a couple people, huh? There you go. See that one? Good. Good. How's your neck feel now?
It's still around the 5.
Still around a 5? All right, so we're gonna do some shockwave on it now and see if that gets some change going.
I don't know if I tweaked it or what. Like, I was sitting in the car, and I like leaned back to the right, like trying to like crack my neck myself.
Where's the pain? Put your finger where the pain is. Right there? All right. So we're gonna start with some gel. You're gonna feel something. It's on this side, right? Mm-hmm. All right. Is that over the area?
Yeah.
In there?
It's specifically like, where the top of the spine, like the ball is.
Right here?
Yeah, like right to the right side of where the ball is.
Right there?
Yeah.
Right there? Let me know when I get to a spot that's real tender.
Yeah, that's it.
Right there? Want me to turn it up?
Yeah, you can.
Good or too much?
Good.
Right now?
Yeah.
Try moving your head. Let me know if it's any difference. Anything?
I'm good at it now. I'm more so good. Like if I lay on my back and try to lift my head up,
Gotcha.
that's how I feel it.
So I guess try to flex your head forward now. See if you feel anything.
Yeah, I still feel it.
Okay. Is it the same though?
No, it's a little better.
All right, good. All right, come on up. How are we feeling now?
A little bit better. It's just like more tight on this side.
Tight on that side. So what I want you to do, I want you to stretch. We're gonna have you stretch it, lean your head to one side, and I want you to pull the shoulder down. Is that tight? In the trap area?
Yeah, it's like tight in there.
All right, so I want you to push against my arm. Push against this one. All right, relax. One more time. Push. All right, relax. Push again. All right, relax. Okay. Loosen it up.
A little bit.
It's tough. All right, so it's gonna take some more work.
Yeah, it is.
All right, that's good for today. So out of 10, where we at now?
Around like 4.
4? Okay, so we went from a 7 to a 4. Still got work to do, but we got some improvement. All right, good to go.